Hey, I'm just a guy with an RV trying to do some maintenance on it. And I've got my power cord plug here. As you can see, it's kind of all full of corrosion. It's not looking very good, pretty dull. Obviously, we want a good, clean connection on these power cords. Otherwise, it might ruin your day pretty fast. So my goal is to make this thing nice and shiny. Again, I'm just an everyday guy. I'm no professional, so maybe I'm doing it right. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. From what I've seen so far on other videos, you want to start with some emery cloth. I picked this up at the big box store, the big orange one. Emery cloth, I guess, is what you want to use to clean metal with. And then I'm going to finish up with some of this deoxit, just to spray. This is what apparently you want to use for electrical connections to keep them nice and shiny. So I'll put a link for this in the description below, and let's get started. So this emery cloth, it comes in 3 different grits. Got rough, medium, and fine. I'm going to start with the rough first and see how that goes. Right away, with just 30 seconds, maybe a minute, I've got the first prong pretty clean on the one side there. So we'll keep going and see how it ends up. You could probably find emery cloth for like a Dremel or something, but I didn't go to that much effort to try to find that. So we'll just do it the hard way. We're just out here in the driveway on a nice day. Okay, so it took me about 10 minutes in real time here, but as you can see, this is looking a lot better than it was already. It seemed to be a little tricky getting up right into the nooks and crannies here, right next to the rubber. And it was a little hard to hold, so next time I'd probably take it into the shop and put it in the vise to work on it that way. So next we're going to take some of the deoxit and spray on there and get it all nice and shiny and see how it looks. So I just read the directions for this deoxit, and it sounds like maybe I should have sprayed this on before I used the emery cloth, because this helps break up the grime and all that. So next time I'll probably try that, but I'll go ahead and use this anyway and just get it nice and shiny. Okay, so this could probably be even better, but it's definitely better than it was to start with, and I feel a lot better about using it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.